Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Hack. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness on your Amazon Fire Stick as well as your TV. So what you want to do is go on over to settings right here, select this, go to where it says display and sound. Select that. Then under here, let's go to where it says display. And we want to go down to the color depth. I'm just going to make sure this is up to 12 at the moment. And then go to confirm. And then go down to where it says dynamic range settings. Now, if you have it set to always HDR, sometimes in content that is not HDR supported, the blacks are going to be super crushed. So we want to put it down to either disabled HDR or adaptive. Display content to match with the original dynamic range is probably what you want to go to. Otherwise, it's going to look very dark on the screen. So you can see it's adaptive right now and is much brighter all of a sudden. So you could go to always HDR if you want to get it a little bit darker. You can see just how much of a difference that is. It's going to try to force HDR on non-HDR content. So I'm just going to go to adaptive. So this menu right here is a little bit brighter, but if you turn it off, even in HDR content, it's going to be turned off. So just check that out. Now, if you do have like TV settings or something like that, you could try adjusting the backlight too. So you got the Fire TV, just hold down this little settings button down here, and this will open up the settings on the right. Go down to picture, and then you have a backlight right here. So my backlight is at 100%, so it's pretty bright right now, so I might actually lower this in this menu. It's not needed to be at 100, so maybe like 62 or something like that. I'm just watching my Fire Stick background. So look at that settings. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.